All right, welcome back from your weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. I know it's been a long weekend here. Our first NTI lesson for engineering is going to be a review of engineering as a field. So if you navigate to your Google Class page, um, how this is going to work for NTI lessons on your main stream every day, you'll see your learning target. Today's learning target is I can describe and explain engineering, its connection to math, science, and technology in the problem-solving process. You'll also see that day's engineering standard and task. And today's task is to complete a review of engineering assignment. So let's go over and look at what that will entail. So if you click to your classwork, on classwork, you'll see each assignment. Some of these will take a few days. Posted. So here we have a review of engineering. So this is the review of engineering assignment. There's a few things here. I want you to write a definition in your own words for science, for technology, for engineering, and for math, and that's the STEM field. Now down here, you're going to also provide an example of how they work together. Okay, to help you with that, we're going to go over to this presentation, and I'm just going to talk through this with you to kind of give you an idea of how engineering, math, science, and technology work together. So we're going to review this introduction of engineering. So science, technology, engineering, and math is known as STEM. So if we look here, scientists, let's actually back up a bit. Mathematicians. So mathematics deals with numbers and symbols. Now, scientists use those numbers and symbols when they investigate the natural world. Um, Technologists, they take that information about the natural world, they apply it to science, they use math and science, and they start to design. Now, engineers, they take those designs a little bit farther and they use the designs of technologists, they build on science, and they start to solve problems. So those problems are based both on needs and wants. Some of the things that engineers might create aren't necessarily a need, but they might fill a want. So that's how mathematicians, using numbers and symbols, scientists, investigating the natural world, technologists applying math and science, and engineers working to solve problems, complete the STEM field. All right, let's go here. How does that all relate? Let's look at the example of a pencil. So, um, where is science found in a pencil? Well, the graphite, the tip of the pencil, um, was originally combined with clay. So if you graphite can be mined from the ground, it gets combined with clay. I know that's not here on this slide, but it's baked just like a brick is, and that creates a stable graphite substance that can be used to write. Now, originally, the eraser on a pencil was bits of kind of like dried breadcrumbs, and that got replaced with a rubber eraser. So, science investigating those materials discovered a way to use the graphite, discovered a good material for the eraser. Now, a technologist finds a way to combine those things. That involves the process to create two halves of a wooden pencil, the groove. Um, and a way to hold that rubber eraser in place. Now, engineering. An engineer is going to work with that technologist in the design. They might work with them to solve problems with, okay, how do we get paint on this design? How do we determine the best possible wood to use with that design? Where's math involved? Well, math is going to be involved with how long is the pencil, what's a comfortable grip diameter for your fingers to pinch. Length. How long should a comfortable pencil be, both for holding on to write and for how long it would last before you would sharpen it all away. So, looking at the example of a pencil, there's some of the ways that science, technology, engineering, and math would all work together to create that writing device. So, let's go back to your assignment and talk about what that might relate to for what you're doing. So here, you need to complete this, and I hope this is helpful.